This video is for class 7 physics and we are doing the numericals on the topic heat. Now, under this topic heat, we have two different situations on which the numerical problems can be done. Now, the first situation is that this is the first situation, okay. The Celsius scale, that is degree Celsius, can be converted into Fahrenheit scale, or the Fahrenheit scale can be converted back to the Celsius scale using this particular formula here, which says C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 upon 9, where C represents the Celsius scale, the value in the Celsius scale, and F represents the Fahrenheit scale. This is the first one. And the second one is the Celsius scale can be converted into the Kelvin scale by using this particular formula, where T degree Celsius, which represents the temperature in the Celsius scale, equals to 273 plus 2 T Kelvin. So we have to use this particular formula to solve the numerical problems. Let us try to solve one. Convert 40 degrees Celsius on the Fahrenheit scale and then in the Kelvin scale. Let us try to solve this. Now, to convert Celsius scale, this is the Celsius scale here, on the Fahrenheit scale, doing the first one, that is number 1A, okay. The Celsius scale given to us is 40 degree Celsius, right? And we are supposed to convert it into the Fahrenheit scale. So, using the formula C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 over 9. We are supposed to use this formula. Now, let us replace the value of C. Replacing the value of C, we shall get 40 here upon 5 equals to F minus 32 over 9. Okay, I hope you are understanding till here. Then this can be cancelled by 5 1 times and 5 8 times, right? Now we are getting 8 equals to F minus 32 over 9. I can write 1 in the denominator as well. So now we can do the cross multiplication. So after doing the cross multiplication, we shall get F minus 32 equals to 8 into 9. We shall get F minus 32 equals to 8 into 9, because this whole thing here multiplied by the denominator and 8 multiplied by the 9. Now for the solving it, F minus 32 shall give me 72, right? Because 8 into 9 is 72. Now for the solving it, I can write F equals to 72 plus 32, right? So I can get here finally, so therefore F equals to 104, right? Thus I can write degree Fahrenheit. So I hope you have understood how to do number 1A. Now coming to the solution of number 1B, here degree Celsius needs to get converted into Kelvin scale. So the formula which we were using is T degree Celsius should be equal to 273 plus T Kelvin, right? So that means to convert degree Celsius, that is 40 degrees Celsius, into the Kelvin scale, what am I supposed to do? I am supposed to add 273 to this 40. So to convert this degree Celsius into the Kelvin scale, we can write 40 degrees Celsius will be equal to 273 plus 40 Kelvin. Thus I'll get 40 degrees Celsius equals to 273 plus 40 shall give me 313 Kelvin, right? 313 Kelvin. So this is our answer number 1B. So I hope you have understood this sum, let us try to do the other one. Let us try to solve this. Okay, number 3. This is from your book example. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. What will be its value on the Fahrenheit scale and then in the Kelvin scale? So as before, we can use this formula, which is C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 over 9, and then replacing the value of C, which is 37 over 5, equals to F minus 32 over 9. Now the next step will be 37 multiplied by 9. This here we are cross multiplying, and then F minus 32 multiplied by 5. So after doing the cross multiplication and then solving, we are getting this particular line. So to get this line, let me do the cross multiplication here. So it shall give me 5 multiplied by F minus 32 should be in the bracket, because this is a single thing here, right? And then should be equal to 37 multiplied by 9. Okay, so then further solving it, we can get F minus 32 will be equal to 37 multiplied by 9 over 5, right? So we have got till here. Then we can take this 32 on the other side, and thus we can get F equals to 37 multiplied by 9 over 5 plus 32. So we can solve this and we can get it as 66.6 plus 32. Thus I am getting 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope you have understood this. Now doing the next one, I am supposed to convert the degree Celsius into the Kelvin scale. Now to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin scale, you all know that we are supposed to add 273 to the given value. The given value is 37. So adding 273 to 37, we are getting 310 Kelvin. This is how we are supposed to do the sums. So this much for this video. Please practice these sums. Thank you so much.